Introducing Mastermind IOT, your smart control solution. Your phone connects to Firebase through the Mastermind IoT app. The main ESP32 hub listens to the cloud and sends instructions to sub-devices. Each sub-device controls appliances through relay modules. Control any device from anywhere, instantly. Cloud synced, secure network, star communication architecture, energy efficient, relay-based control, smart features, seamless experience, scalable system. Mastermind IoT, control made smart. Now in private development. Follow us for updates. Inshallah. Launching soon.